Hello guys! Today I'm gonna make a short review about speaker that I bought 2 days ago. The brand is Kivee, as you can see it writin'. I bought it for $6, which is so affordable for a quite good quality sound it makes. It is like a full palm of mine and not that weight, so I personally think it is quite good for travel size. There is 4 main button. It is for turn on, play and pause, volume adjuster, or previous and next button. At the back here some other functions. Aux cable plug, USB and memory card hole. It can be used in case you don't want to play the song via Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
The light flash show us it is still looking for a pair. When it is stopped, it means they are connected successfully. Yes, it is ready to play. Let's try it on.
There's a bar in far Bombay, come on.
Teruntuk kamu.
So that is all of my review. Thank you for watching. So that is all of my review. Thank you for watching.